L inverse of two functions. I'm just splitting it as 1 divided by s square plus a square into 1 divided by s square plus a square. So by using convolution theorem, we can write it as L inverse of 1 by s square plus a square convolution L inverse of 1 divided by s square plus a square. So you know that L inverse of 1 divided by s square plus a square value is equal to 1 divided by sin 80 convolution 1 divided by sin 80, right? So I'm just taking this 1 by a outside. So I'm just taking it 1 by a square sin 80 convolution sin 80. Okay. So 1 divided by a square sin 80 convolution sin 80. So according to convolution definition, I'm just writing it as 1 divided by a square integral 0 to t. I'm just going to replace t, which is first terms t by u, second terms t by t minus u. So sin au into sin a t minus u into du. So now I'm going to, before integration, I'm going to apply sin a into sin b formula. So sin a sin b formula there is cos a minus b minus cos a plus b divided by 2. So here I'm just taking this as a and this as b, which is equal to 1 divided by a square. So cos a minus b, right? So cos, what is a? Au minus at plus au minus cos a plus b. A is au, b is a plus b. So at minus au divided by 2, whole divided by 2. In next step, I'm just going to take this 2 outside, which is 1 divided by 2a square. So here au plus au will be 2au minus 8b minus cos of 80 into du. So where we present integration here, right? So integral 0 to t, then also integral 0 to t. Now I'm going to integrate this 2 term with respect to u. So 1 divided by 2a square. So cos 2au minus 80. Cos integration is sin of 2au minus 80. With respect to u, right? You have to write u's coefficient with the denominator. So 2a minus cos 80. So here there is no new term. So you have to consider this as constant. So cos 80 integral 0 to t into du. So you get u, the limit is 0 to t. Or else you can write the limit for the whole term. So now you have to substitute the t. You have to substitute the upper limit t minus lower limit is 0. So now 1 divided by 2a square. Upper limit is t, right? You have to substitute u with the t. So now I'm just going to substitute the u with the t. So 2at minus 80, which is 80. Sin 80 divided by 2a minus t cos 80. This is your upper limit substitution. Minus lower limit value is 0 for term u. So here I'm just substituting u as 0. So sin of minus 80 divided by 2e. So sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. So here sin of minus 80 is minus sin 80. So minus sin 80 divided by 2e minus, if I substitute u as 0, this all will be 0. So 1 divided by 2a square. So now minus into minus is plus. So you can find the two similar terms. So I can write it as 2 times of sin 80 divided by 2a minus t cos 80. So now I'm just taking it as 1 divided by 2a square, right? I'm just taking this 2a outside. So what I'll get, so I can also cancel this 2, right? So what I'll get, sin 80 by a get the denominator a. So sin 80 minus 80 cos 80. So you will get the answer 1 divided by 2a square sin 80 minus 80 cos 80 divided by a. So I can also take this a outside, right? So 2a cube sin 80 minus 80 cos 80. So this is the answer for inverse Laplace transform of 1 divided by a square plus a square to the whole square. Thank you. Sine integration is minus cos 80 minus 2au divided by minus 2a. Limit is 0 to t. So now I am going to substitute the limit, which is 1 divided by 2 here. So t sin 80, which is sin 80, use limit substitution is t minus 0. So I am just taking this t in front of sin 80. So minus minus will be cancelled out. So minus, substituting the limit is u with t. So 80 minus 280 will be minus 80. So cos of minus 80 is cos 80. So cos 80 divided by 2a minus the lower limit substitution, which is which you have to substitute u with 0. So this goes 0. So minus cos 80 divided